Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the LG World Premiere. We say life's good. It is an earnest promise to our customers that we will deliver a truly better life. When we first introduced OLED, it was something no one could have imagined before. And today, we are celebrating the 10th anniversary of LG OLED TV. After 10 years of sustained investment, our vehicle solution business is now on track to lead our future growth. We can enjoy seamless experiences that are first, unique, and new across all product offerings with LG ThinQ. We are so excited about the launch of LG Labs, where we are fostering our own squad that we call Customer Value Creators. We are expanding into many other domains. These include EV charging, digital health, and content services. And here today, I would like to introduce to you one of our most valued partners in this exciting field. Let me introduce Tom Ryan, the President and CEO of Paramount Streaming. Thank you.
In fact, putting people and the planet first is at the heart of the new Better Life Plan 2030, LG's global framework for ESG, environmental, social, and governance.
In 1 decade, the story of LG OLED went from wonder to joy, connecting millions of people worldwide and helping to create memories for everyone. You know, we're so proud to introduce to you this 97-inch OLED TV. It's the world's first consumer TV to offer 4K, 120 Hz video and audio transmitted wirelessly through the Zero Connect box.
Seemingly easy to use and install.
And while this standout screen is sure to continue to help bolster our reputation, understanding gamers' needs has been the driving force that has led LG to deliver the exceptional viewing experience when it comes to our OLED screens.
LG ThinQ, a smart platform that connects your home, continues to help you live a more convenient and a more comfortable life. Feel always like new, fit around your lifestyle, and lead to easier, convenient days. The music collection allows you to play music while preparing dinner.
Let us think of car as a space, a living space, and a working space. We will continue to improve and innovate this product into high-performance computer to empower the autonomous driving vehicles of the future. We developed camera and sensor technology that understands what people are doing in the car. We are building mobility service platform that understands, predicts, and curates what people need in the car. We, the LG Electronics, make life's good with cars.
Bringing smile to our customers. Yes, that smile in our logo isn't there by accident. Our visual has gone even more lively. It is an expression of our warmth and our unwavering conviction. Life's good. Because, after all, those who believe life's good are the ones who will make it even better. Thank you, and enjoy CES.